250 million views, 144 million views, and dozens of other uploads with millions more. A channel called Rico Animations has grown to over 13 million subscribers by consistently creating this simple stickman animation style. What's even more interesting is that they're not the only ones. Plenty of creators are using a similar format and turning it into a serious source of income every month. In this video, I'll show you the complete process of making these stickman videos from scratch using free AI tools. Everything is broken down step by step, so you can follow along, even if it is getting started. Now, let's get started. The very first step is to head over to Google or Pinterest and search for stickman animation figure. Download whichever stickman character design appeals to you the most. Once you have your character ready, open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Feel free to throw in some funny or quirky elements of your own as well. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly hand you 20 engaging topic ideas to choose from. Pick the one that excites you the most. Now, open the second prompt from the description below. Copy it in full and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Enter your preferred video duration, then paste your selected idea inside the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete video script matched to your timing, including full narration along with image prompts and video prompts for every single scene. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. First, upload the character image you downloaded earlier, then click on your character image. Click on the three dots and choose Add to Prompt, making sure to select your preferred image settings. Paste the prompt in and hit Generate. Your first scene image will be ready within seconds. Click on your character image again and select Add to Prompt to keep your character consistent across every scene. Copy image prompt 2, paste it in, and repeat this exact process until all your scene images are generated. I have created 4 scenes here to demonstrate the complete workflow. Now it's time to animate everything. Open your first image and click Animate. Select Omni Flash as your video model and set the duration to around 8 to 10 seconds. Copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it in, and generate the clip. In just a few moments, your first animated scene will be ready. Repeat the same process for every remaining image until you've turned all of them into animated video clips. After that, download all of your completed clips and return to ChatGPT. Paste in the next prompt from the description and hit enter. Convert your entire narration into one clean paragraph that's perfect for voice generation. Copy the finished script and open your preferred text-to-speech tool. I'm using Google AI Studio for this tutorial. Pick a voice that suits your video style, paste in the script, and generate the audio. Your complete voiceover should be ready in just a few seconds. Finally, import all of your animated clips into your favorite video editor together with a generated voiceover. Arrange the clips in the correct order, synchronize each scene with the narration, make any final adjustments, and export the finished video. And that's it. Your stickman animation is now ready to upload. Let's take a look at the final result.
Most people think building wealth starts with earning more. But the truth is, it starts with how you manage the money you already have. Always spend less than you earn. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need this? Small savings today become big opportunities tomorrow. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having a few months of savings can protect you from unexpected expenses. Avoid bad debt. Borrowing money for things that lose value quickly can keep you stuck. Use credit wisely. Start investing as early as possible. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into something much bigger over time because of compound growth. Remember, financial freedom isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about making smart decisions every single day. Start with these simple rules today, and your future self will thank you.
That's the entire workflow from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more viral AI content ideas, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next opportunity.